Hello everyone, welcome to all in my class. So today let us continue the chapter Lifeline of National Economy. So dear student, in previous class we discussed about the Indian roadways and its classification. But today we are going to discuss about the another important land transport is railways and third is pipeline. So all means of transport are important for us and for our country economic development. So first of all we see the railways. Indian Railways is fourth largest railway network in the world according to its size and its length. Indian Railways is a public sector. That means it's completely undertake either operate by the government of India, either Ministry of Railway. The first rail was steam up started in 1853 from Mumbai to Thane. Its cover only 34 kilometers. Okay, started in 1853 from Mumbai to Thane, its cover only 34 kilometers. So first of all we see the advantages, either merits, either importance of Indian Railways. The first merits is it is principal mode of transportation of freight and passenger in India. Okay. The second important thing is it is also conduct the multifarious activities like business, like pilgrimage and sightseeing and others economic activities. Okay. The third important point is it's bind the economic life of people of India and also it accelerate the development of agriculture and industries. How? Transportation supply the agricultural inputs to the farmer and also surplus product supply to the market and also raw material supply to the industries and finished product supply to the market and also it supply to the consumer. So think railways also important to develop the Indian agriculture and manufacturing industries. So it is the fourth advantage is so railways is more suitable to carry the heavy and bulky goods, either a large amount of goods and large number of people from one place to another place at a time over a long distance. So we can say that railways is more suitable to carry the large number of people and high amount of goods at a time for a long distance. The fifth advantage is it provides the employment opportunities. Railways recruit the people as a station master, as a driver, as a TT, as a sweeper, as a security guard. So lots of employment opportunities is given by the Indian Railways. Okay. The sixth important point is it is a common point. Okay. Any means of transport save the time and energy. Also railways save the time and energy. Okay. So next we see the disadvantages of Indian Railways. What are the problem faced by the Indian Railway today? The first thing, in India most of the people travel without ticket. Most of the people of India travel without ticket. The second problem is till now Indian people damage the railway poverty, yet not stop. The third problem is people want to stop the train and unnecessarily they pull the chain to stop the train. Okay. The fourth problem is railways are the railway network are inadequate in our India. If you focus on the rural areas, at the underdeveloped areas, at the backward areas, so railways are not well developed. So it is inadequate in our rural areas, at the backward areas, at the underdeveloped areas. So it need to increase the develop the railways in that region. So the fifth problem is railways sometimes affected by the natural calamities and the disaster. Railway lines submerged due to the flood, and the shrink due to the landslide and earthquake. So it is affected by the natural calamities. The last important and problem is Indian railways, either any railway line does not easy to construct over the difficult terrain like mountain area. So it is a rugged and dissected area, in dense forest area, either in desert area, either in marshland area. So here we can't easily construct the railways. So it face the problem to construct over the sloping area, either high gradient area, either marshland area, either over the dense forest and in desert area. Okay. So next we see the Indian railways are mainly categorized into a three group of their width of the track. So its gauge in meter. So first of all see the broad gauge, and second meter gauge, and third narrow gauge. Okay. So see broad gauge means the width of the railway track is 1.676 meter. Meter gauge means the width of the railway track is only 1 meter, and narrow gauge means the width of the railway track is 0.762 meter and 0.610 meter. Okay. So after that we discuss about the railways are mostly influenced by the physiographic, economic and administrative factor. Physiographic, economic and administrative factor, and the Indian railways is most convenient, and it's highly growth and developed in northern plain. Highly developed in northern plain. It's have three reasons that helps to develop the Indian railways in northern plain. The first reason is vast land is available. So plain areas is suitable to lays down the railway track. That's why railway is developed more in northern plain. The second important point is here population density is high. So most of the people used to prefer to use railways. And third important point is here agriculture production is very high. Due to the large amount of the agricultural product, and also that lead to the development of the agro-based industries, also industrial production is there. So to supply and move the agricultural product and industrial product, we should helps to develop the railways. Okay. But think in mountain areas railways are not well developed. Why? Now we read about the in northern plain railways is more convenient, but in mountain area it's not more convenient. It's not well developed. How? That's just opposite of this answer. So it is not suitable to lace down the railway track over a dissected, either over a high gradient sloping land. The second reason is it is a partially populated area. That means population density is quite low. So in first we learn, okay, it's carry the move the large number of people. So here population density is quite low. So people does not much prefer to use the railways. And third important things, the reason is due to the lack of the land, the plain area, so agricultural production is quite low. So no need to set up the railways. Either railways are not well developed in this region due to this reason. First, difficult terrain. Second, population density is low, partially populated area. And third, agriculture production, either industrial production is quite low. Okay. So, dear student, these are the importance of the Indian railways. These are the problem of Indian railways. And next we see the railways is more convenient, either highly developed in northern plain and less either developed in mountain area, either in dense forest area, either in desert area. So further move and we discuss about the pipelines. Okay, it is pipelines are latest edition on the Indian map. You have been shown the pipelines on Indian map today. But think in early age, now pipeline used to transport the water. I think all of you have the water connection at your home. Okay, so pipeline is not a latest concept, it is a earlier concept, but today pipeline used for some purpose, economic purpose. So let's see the advantages of pipeline. Advantages of pipeline. So pipeline mainly used to transported the liquid minerals, either material, and also transported the gases like crude oil, petroleum, natural gas, and these minerals are supplied from gas field, either oil field, to refineries industries, thermal power plant, either fertilizers industries. And second advantages is pipeline not only used to transport the liquid and gases, also used to transport the solid minerals, but transported after convert into a slurry. That's like iron ore. We convert into a slurry, then we transport through a pipelines. Clear? The fourth important point of pipeline is it is rules out of transshipment losses. So you think in roadways, in railways, so it's need the loading and unloading of goods. At that time, some materials, either product, are damaged, either wastage. But in pipeline, it is rules out of transshipment losses. Okay, and next see, and also it is rules out of the delays. There is no traffic because pipeline mainly construct under the ground, under the surface. Okay, so it is rules out of the traffic and delays. So it saves the time. Okay. Next, we discuss about some disadvantages of pipeline. First of all, initial cost for laying the pipeline under the ground is high. That means we require the high amount of money to construct the pipelines under the ground. The second, if any leakage is occur, so it wastes the liquid, either gaseous, mineral, either material. Third, it is affected by the natural calamities. Pipeline will be break, either damaged, either leakage due to earthquake, landslide, etc. So it is difficult to find out the leakage, either damage of pipelines and recover it. It takes lots of time and face the lots of problem. So in India, we found mainly 3 pipelines. The first is pipelines is laid down constructed from Assam to Allahabad. Allahabad is located in Uttar Pradesh. So Assam to Allahabad via Guwahati, what is the capital of Assam, and Dispur, Barauni, Guwahati and Barauni. So next it's have some branch from Barauni to Haldia via Rajband, and from Guwahati to Siliguri. Okay. Next, the second important pipelines, it is laid down from Salaiya to Jalandhar, and also it's a branch connect the Koali. And third important pipeline and most important pipeline is Hazira, Bijapur and Jagdishpur. It is about 1400 kilometer length. Hazira is located in Gujarat, Bijapur located in Madhya Pradesh and Jagdishpur located in Uttar Pradesh, and it also connect with the Kota. So 3 important pipelines are India that connect the all fertilizers and chemical factories, thermal power plant and refineries industries of India. So pipeline is more important and also play a crucial role for the development of such industries. Okay. So now we already discussed about the advantages and disadvantages of railways, and where the railways is more convenient and where highly grow it, the develop it, and where it is not well developed, and also discuss about the 3 types of the railway track: broad gauge, meter gauge and narrow gauge. First rail started at the steam of from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. It covered the 34 kilometer. Okay. Next we discuss about the advantages of pipeline and disadvantages of pipelines and 3 important pipelines of India. Okay. So dear student, those are till now not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also click the bell icon, and please like, share and comment. Okay, that's all.